So, for today's video, we are going to discuss about quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed figure lying on one plane, which has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Here are some examples of quadrilateral. Number 1, envelope. Number 2, kite. Number 3, cards. And number 4, chessboard. If you observe, all these things have 4 sides.
Example of quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we give name to these 4 points. We call that A, B, C, and D. These things that we are named are called vertices. And the quadrilateral, we are always have 4 vertices. Each point is called vertex. And as you already see, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and sides are called AB, BC, CD, and DA. So remember, every quadrilateral has 4 sides and has 4 vertices.
There's another important property of quadrilaterals. If you look at the example closely, you can see that all the vertices and sides of quadrilateral lie on one plane. So, the quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and is a closed figure lying on one plane. Observe that the vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point, and vertex formed between those sides is called that angle.
Is an angle. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angles. It has 4 angles apart from the one we marked. This one, and this one. These are the 4 angles formed in the quadrilateral. But how do we name the angles? How can we name this green angle? Well, we can call it angle A. We just name the angle based on the vertex at vertices. But a better way to name it is to call its angle BAB, or you can call it angle BAD. In these cases, we name it based on sides similarly. They can be called angle ABC, this one can be called BCD, and this one is angle CDA.
Last basic concept that you need to know: in this quadrilateral, vertices A and C are opposite to each other, and vertices B and D are opposite to each other. The lines joining the opposite vertices are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So this line are called the diagonals. And this figure, we can say that AC and BD are diagonals.